We'll guide you through how to use Asana in the office to streamline your workflow and keep your projects on track. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to asana.com, log in with your credentials, or create a new account if you're new. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. To create a new project, click on the "plus" button at the top right corner and select Project. You can choose between a list, board, timeline, or calendar view, depending on how you prefer to visualize your tasks. Give your project a name and choose a privacy setting. Then click Create Project. Now, you can add tasks by clicking the Add Task button, which lets you break down your project into smaller, manageable parts. Assign tasks to team members by typing their names in the Assignee field. Set deadlines by clicking the calendar icon next to each task. For better organization, you can use sections to divide your project into phases. Just click Add Section and name it accordingly. Want to keep the team updated? Use the comment feature within each task to provide feedback or additional instructions. If you need to keep track of progress, use the Progress tab at the top of the project page to see an overview of completed and pending tasks. Integrate Asana with other tools you use by going to the Countcates app section and following the prompts for integration. This can help centralize your work and reduce time spent switching between applications. Asana also offers reporting features. Click on Reporting from the sidebar to generate reports on productivity and task completion, helping you identify any bottlenecks. Remember to regularly check your inbox within Asana to stay updated on task changes and team communications. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.